All right, hello AP Stats. Um, I wanted to give you a little overview of what things will look like on our PowerSchool page during this online school time. This is on our home page. Um, Information right here about if you need to order new calculator batteries or if you need to order a charger cord, since you won't be at school to charge on our docks. It all depends on what kind of calculator you have. If you look on the back, if it has two screws or only one screw, you'll have two different kinds of batteries. And then you received this charger cord with the package when you bought it, but in case you lost it, you might want to order a new one. You can order ones that plug into your computer or into the wall or both. But anyway, these are links to Amazon. Over on the right is our formula sheet. Um, And if you go over to the left here where it says extended online school and you click on the arrow, it'll open up more pages. Um, so let's go to our Wednesday, Thursday page. There's a page for every day. So if you click on Wednesday, Thursday, there's going to be an option for live office hours. So if you want to be able to chat with me and ask me questions, um, there's that option. This is taking a long time to load. But um, if you go over to this left side, right below Extended Online School, it says Office Hours Video Conferencing. And if you click on that, you'll look for my name, Mary Sepola. You'll click on my name and then get logged into our video chat. I'll be having that from 1 to 1:40 today. We can go over homework 2 questions. Homework 2 is what you got last Thursday. So we'll go over questions on that, and then you're going to turn in your homework 2 by 11:59 p.m. today, Thursday, March 19th. You can take a picture of it or scan it, and then email it to me and title it with your name and then AP homework number 2. I'm going to be going through a lot of emails. It's just going to help me sort if you label it this way. And then you're going to work on homework number 3. Homework number 3 can be found right here. It's a pretty quick worksheet. There's actually no panic or phantoms on it. It's just identifying what kind of test or interval and some multiple choice questions. So it's relatively quick. You can print it out if you want, or you can work on it in your notebook. Doesn't matter to me. It'll be due by Sunday, March 22nd at 11:59 p.m. Take a picture of it or scan it in and email it to me. And again, your name, AP homework number 3. So if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to email me or stop by on this Google Meet chat from 1 to 1:40 p.m. All right, bye.